In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LaTeX in Canva to add math equations easily. If you want to create professional-looking math formulas and symbols in your designs, this guide will help you do it quickly. First, open Canva on your browser or app and start a new design or open an existing one. Next, go to the Text tool and add a text box where you want your math equation to appear. Since Canva doesn't support LaTeX natively, you'll need to use an online LaTeX equation generator. Open a new tab and search for a free LaTeX equation editor like CodeCogs or LaTeX-Base. Type your math equation using LaTeX syntax in the editor. For example, for a quadratic formula, you'd enter I nohef rak nodard b 1 pm ard twas art b2 for a ci 2 a die. Once your equation looks right, generate the image or SVG output from the tool. Download the equation image or copy the SVG code if supported. Return to Canva and upload the image file of your equation. Place and resize it on your design as needed. This method lets you include clean, professional math equations in your Canva projects without complex workarounds. That's it. Now you can easily add LaTeX math equations to your Canva designs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful design tips and tutorials.